Hello everybody, today in front of me I have the VIVO Y35, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So first of all, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi, has the mobile data enabled and Bluetooth as well. Onwards, swipe downwards from the top part of your display, open the Control and Notification Center, expand the shortcuts that are at the Control Center, look for the nearby share icon among them, then touch and hold onto it. In here, tap on the Add or Verify option, click on the Agree button, then switch on this toggle. Onwards, you can rename the device if you would like, so I'll just name it HardReset Vivo. Then you can change the device visibility mode from hidden to visible only to contacts or visible to everybody, that is in range of course. And also you can also manage the data usage mode, so you can set it to use to be able to use mobile data, to be able to use Wi-Fi only or without internet, which will mean that the Bluetooth connection will be used exclusively. Now I'll just take some other device and try to transfer some picture to my Vivo through the nearby share function and see how well it performs. So I'll, for example, share this little picture, wait until the viewer gets discovered, then tap on it, accept on the receiver's end, and wait for the image to get transferred. And that will be it. So great success already. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.